from these countries to come over, Commissioner?
Definitely invite natin yung mga head of states, no, including hopefully our president can embrace the event, no. So yeah, definitely we'll be inviting them because like I said, the last the 10th was held 2018, so people were very excited, no, when we presented this now in Cochin, Malaysia, no, that we will be hosting the Friendship Games this year.
How many athletes or number of delegates are coming over? Approximate number?
Okay, so basing the information from the past, no? So yung Brunei is sending a team, just one team. Then Malaysia probably 3. Then Indonesia, there are yung Billy kasi covers about 14, no? Zones, no, within the economic zone, no? So baka hindi naman lahat magsasali, no? So but in the past they probably dalawa tatlo lang, no? Then the Philippines, we still yet have to discuss this with the newly appointed Secretary, no, of Mindanao Development Authority, no? Because there's a need to consult, no, on how to actually distribute the participants. But generally, per delegation or per team, about 160 no, delegate members, no, will be participating, no, in 8 sports.
I guess one here key for the Bimbiyaga is for moving forward to actually damihan yung sports or grow the sports. Kasi I'm not happy with he mentioned 8 sports, so you know, we do have in this country 80 sports, and if they include pickleball, then that's 81. Okay, so hopefully on our events we can actually grow sports, so para gumaling naman tayo in our other countries.
Yes. Yes.
That is the direction, Mr. Chairman, in the future. But yeah, in 2014. 11 sports, no? 2016, 12 sports. So, but most of the games, mga 5, 7. So, definitely the sports will be increased, no? Yeah.
When you say BIMP IAGA Games, is there a particular organization lang in charge of, you know, sila yung may pool na mga sports? Or any kahit with NSAs, or it's the Mindanao Sports in charge of forming Team Philippines for the games?
For helping us distribute information, we go through the Bimbiyaga Facilitation Center. So si Dr. Susan po din ang in charge doon. So now it is prerogative of the host country to actually decide on the sports. So tayo, we base it on history, no? So we have data that ito yung top sports based on the number of times it was offered and how many participated. Then we did present it in in a meeting which in Malaysia about several months ago. Then yung mga counterpart natin sa Bimbiyaga suggested karate and esports, no? So because of that, we had to sort of remove the unpopular sports, so to include to accommodate the request of the esports and karate. It's a friendship game, so we avoid the contact. So for karate, it will be the forms, no? Kata. Then Mobile Legends, Bang Bang. Is for the esports. No? Then for yeah. So yung team sports medyo iniwasan namin because the budget and of course yung consideration also for neighboring countries, no, budgetary constraints as well. So yun, ang ganun nangyari proseso na how we selected the sports.
Okay. So anyway, for those who might be listening, BIMP stands for Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, East ASEAN Growth Area. That's why, as you said, Pamwawi, it was started as an economic, cultural, and commercial group to promote the East ASEAN Duterte. Pero sa, kumawit sa new territories, do you mean Darwin or Australia?
Yes,
So Darwin will be sent to the athletes.
yung history no, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, no, because of the
Arafura Games.
Arafura Games, no? So, in fact, they wanted to revive it. That's why they parang went to the Big Iaga
Okay.
group, no, countries to encourage. No? So, an exchange, they included Andy Newton or Darwin para sila naman sumali sa Arafura Games.
Okay,
So,
yeah.
this year, hopefully, because of their participation, ma-revive ulit yung participation ng
Arafura
Games. Yeah.
So, corollary to that. So this will be, I assume this will be for developmental athletes. This will be for age group athletes, not for our national athletes. Meron na bang mga what the age group are we're looking at? Maybe 17 and under or 18 and under?
16 to 21.
16 to 21.
16 to 21. And tama sinabi nyo, yung mga participants should not have been or should not have participated in any international competition or a member of a national pool. No? So, kumbaga, it's a good venue for our athletic hopefuls, no, to really showcase their talents and hopefully be identified in the future. No?
Lastly, before who will be do the selections? NSAs or with coordination with the PSC? Kasi
kanya-kanyang LGUs na yan. Kanya-kanyang LGU.
LGU.
Yeah.
So in the case of Palawan, will select exactly.
Palawan, I may mention that they'll have two teams.
Oh.
So Palawan and Puerto
So LGU more or less concentrated. Yes, you might say.
Correct, and then the Mindanao area as well. So again,
Okay.
I cannot mention so much about Mindanao because we have to consult now with because some LGUs are actually signifying the intention to join,
Okay.
and that they have not actually joined in the previous games, no. So
Yeah, since yan sa
hush muna sa Mindanao area, no? But yeah, so the LGUs then, but we'll have one common Philippine athletic attire, especially to be worn during the opening ceremony, as well as during awarding.
parang national junior team or something like that.
Correct, no? So we'll provide that.
Thank you.